Hello, everyone. Welcome to Learning Web Development. My name is Chris Morrow. This is the third episode of the series, and I thank you for joining me. Today, we're going to be talking about text editors. First, we're going to go through a few key benefits that text editors will give you, and then I'm going to list a few 100% free text editors that you can download today. I will say that I'm not going to list every text editor out there. There are some great ones out there, but many of them are paid, and many of them can be expensive. So today I'm going to focus on 100% free cross-platform editors that are available for Mac and PC. So let's go ahead and jump in. Okay, let's start with the first major benefit of text editors, and that is code completion. This can include snippets, including snippets that you create yourself. You can see here I just typed HTML5 and it gave me a boilerplate page to create an HTML5 page. I can go ahead and start adding my title to my page. You can see now I'm going to write a div, add a class with .my-class. If I hit tab, it goes ahead and completes the closing tag for that div as well. Another benefit that text editors give you is code folding, also known as code collapsing. And you can see here the style tag I can expand and collapse, showing the div.bar and the other styles that might be in that tag. All right, another clear feature that text editors give you is syntax highlighting. You can see that all the elements here are in this pink or fuchsia color, and the element attributes are in green. So by having these different colors for different element types and different code blocks, it really helps you to navigate the code more easily. And another feature or benefit very similar in finding your way around is just having line numbers, just being able to see, okay, line 10, or where's that code that I was looking at. Let me just go to line 20 and start there or whatever. So being able to have those line numbers as a reference is also very handy. All right, moving along, here's another great benefit text editors provide, and that's code validation. Here I have var thing equals something, and then on line 6 I have ver another thing. Here you can see the editor gives you a warning by underlining the text on line 6, as well as providing a warning triangle icon on the far left, as well as there's information at the bottom of the editor telling you more details about the specific error. Okay, one great editor is actually created by GitHub, and GitHub is known for all things open source and free in the coding world. So the fact that it's open, it's available for Mac, Windows, Linux, a number of different platforms, and they really stress hackability. Make it your own, customize it however you want, whether you want to change colors, all the different packages and things to read code and reformat code. You could see beautifying the HTML and CSS and JavaScript, autocomplete, over 5,600 packages currently. So it's just a very powerful editor, but it's also pretty lightweight and very easy to use. So it's definitely a text editor to put on your list to try out if you haven't already tried it out. All right, another text editor that's 100% free is Visual Studio Code. It's created by Microsoft, so you have good solid support, and it's available for Mac and PC. Again, very good syntax highlighting, many different packages. It has built-in Git support for checking in code, as well as debugging, and IntelliSense, which allows you to actually get type ahead and some code helpful hints as you're typing. So good quality features. Again, just a different editor to choose that is free, and different people have different preferences. So another one that you might want to try. Okay, up to this point, we've talked about editors that have been 100% free. Here, we're going to talk about Sublime Text, which is free, but it's kind of the freemium. It is free to use, but you will just get a registration message every now and then until you actually pay for the program. But again, 100% you can use it. Every now and then on startup of the application, it gives you a, hey, you haven't registered message. But there's many great features of Sublime Text. The performance, there's many files that it can open with many thousands of lines, and it just scrolls buttery smooth. And whereas I've been in other editors like Visual Studio or some others that are heavier, and they can't even scroll, and it's just choppy scrolling. So a number of things like that make it a very fast, lightweight editor with a lot of different powerful features like find and replace, multi-line editing, and a lot of different snippets that you can add. So it's again a great program. It's been my go-to text editor for a while when I'm wanting a lightweight text editor for programming. So do check it out. It's a great program. Okay, that does it for this episode. Thanks for watching. If there are any questions you have, please comment below, as well as give me a like if you found something helpful. The next episode is HTML Basics. We can actually jump into one of those code editors that you're going to download today and get started and start coding some HTML. So I look forward to that. Come back and we'll jump right into code.